Hello everyone, this is a video walkthrough for our product Mail Plus for VtigerCRM. In this video, I will show you how to deliver emails straight to customer inbox with Mail Plus. Let's start off by configuring your emails. For this, initially click on the CRM settings and then click on the other settings button. In that, choose Mail Plus from the drop-down. Here, before you proceeding to the configuration, you need to get your API key from SendGrid account. In below description, I mentioned the link to get your API key from SendGrid account. Here I previously generated the API key from the SendGrid account. Just copy this API key and paste it over here. Once done, click on the save button. So that's it. You can now start send emails to your customer. By this, you can stop all your email oops from spamming. You can also efficiently manage all your email records in your VtigerCRM with Mail Plus. So thank you for watching.